All right, it's time to do our giveaway. And this is a giveaway where, we're just doing it because people have been kind to us to give us a Google review or a Zillow review. And yes, we are still number one in Wylie, Texas, to have the most Google reviews. And I even got that letter that everybody was sharing the other day where it says, look, you're the number one agent from Google. And I thought it was spam, so I threw it away. And then everybody else, all these other industries started posting. And I was like, man, I should have done that too. But hey, it is what it is. You can go and check for yourself to see who is number one with Google reviews. But we just wanted to do a giveaway for, we partnered with Taylor, who is Southern Maid Cleaning, and she does amazing. She was just at our house yesterday, cleaning our house, getting ready for Easter because everybody's coming to our house. And, I'm gonna have to have her back out to clean all the confetti that goes everywhere. But they do it amazing. And so we wanted to give somebody real value, right? Not another materialistic type of giveaway. This was, you know what? She's going to come and clean your house, right? And so we're doing a gift card giveaway that is almost used up to, I think, a 3,000 square foot home to go in and do a cleaning for you. And so, let's just go ahead and start doing it. But first, I want everybody to say hi to Paula. She is our newest team member, as you've seen on some of my other posts and whatnot. But let me share my screen with you real quick. That way, we can just do this giveaway. All right, so I know you're seeing this right now, and we're gonna do the giveaway to see who wins. Hey, look, it's me. I won. I mean, I bought and sold real estate with myself, and I also gave myself a Google review. So why not? Why can't I be the one to win? So sorry, everybody, you lost. I won. Okay, never mind. Let's remove that and do it again. All right, here we go. Here we go. Hey, it's me again. I mean, like I said, I'm giving myself several reviews. I mean, all those 168 reviews are probably for me, right? I mean, that's what people say, but okay, let's get rid of that now and let's really do it. So here's everybody who has really shared. I mean, we have over 168 reviews on Google. We have more on Zillow. And so here are the real names. Now you can see it. And we're going to give this house cleaning by Southern Maid Cleaning to one lucky winner. Here we go. Here we go. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. All right. Good luck to everybody. That's a lot of names on this wheel. And the winner is Mathi. Congratulations, Mathi. We'll be reaching out to you to get that set up for you. So, congratulations on winning that new house clean for your well, you bought the house a couple of years ago, new construction out there in Frisco, right? And so, congratulations, guys. I just want to say thank you so much for the continued support, the love, the referrals, and everything else. When it comes to real estate needs, give us a call. Let us know. Let's have a conversation with it. And if I can do one small ask is go to my YouTube channel because my new boss over here is making me do more videos on YouTube and it will make her very happy to have more subscribers for us. So go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. I'll even drop the link in the comments on this video for you. All right, guys, till next time, if we can help you with anything, reach out. See you later.